This segment is sponsored by New Perspective Financial Solutions. Is your life insurance policy more than a decade old? And when was the last time you checked to see if a newer policy was more suitable for you? Life insurance offerings have evolved in recent years, and our guest today is going to bring us up to date with all the information. Tavon is the founder of New Perspective Financial Solutions, a DC-based firm that focuses on preparing people for a successful retirement. Tavon Jackson joins us now. Welcome back. Good to have you.
Thanks for having me.
All right, what are living benefits? Let's start there.
So it's something new, but think of it like if you had a life insurance policy, most people have death insurance, meaning that the only time anybody's going to benefit from it is when you're no longer here. So what living benefits are is that if you have a $100,000 policy and you had a stroke or you went through dementia or cancer or heart attack, you can use that $100,000 while you're living. Because one thing you don't want to happen is what's called a living death, where you're alive, but you're killing everybody financially because they're trying to keep you alive. So by having living benefits, it gives people more flexibility on their policies so that if it doesn't benefit them, it'll benefit somebody.
And then they can still use it as in like the traditional sense too when somebody passes away.
Absolutely. It's a dollar for dollar reduction. So
Okay.
if you have a $100,000 policy and let's say you use $20,000 for a nursing home, you pass away, your beneficiaries will get the 80.
Okay, good to know. And then if you have an older life insurance policy, can you get a new one?
You can, so you have to be healthy because the older you get, the more expensive you get. But if you have an older policy, most likely it has cash value in the account. So what you can do is kind of like a rollover. So you can take the cash value from the old account, apply it to the new account, so it'll keep your premium the same even though you've gotten a lot older.
Okay, yeah, that's always kind of the catch there. It's going up as we're going up as well. All right, for those who might make too much to contribute to a Roth IRA, can these insurance policies help?
So a lot of people have a 401k. And as you know, you don't pay taxes on the 401k when you put it in, you pay the taxes when you take it out. So a lot of people, they want a Roth IRA, but there's income limits on how much you can make to contribute to it. It's about $153,000. So for people who make more than that, life insurance is the best way to build wealth because every dollar you put in there, a portion of it goes to pay for the life insurance, but the portion of it as well goes into cash value that grows tax-free.
Okay.
So a lot of like celebrities, NBA players, they make over $150,000. So they need a vehicle that they can put this money into, and cash value life insurance is the best way to do it and to give them a tax-free retirement.
Okay, good to know there. And then how important is long-term care when it comes to retirement planning?
Well, I don't really like long-term care too much because the old plans, you used to pay into it for months and years, and then when you turned 80 or 90, you never used it. Some people, they just died. They never got sick. So the hybrid living benefit plan, that's the best way because you can use it for both. You can use it for stroke, heart attack, nursing home, a nurse coming into your home, putting a ramp. You can do it for anything.
Oh, wow.
But then also, like I said, it's a life insurance policy as well. So if you don't use it, if you get sick, it'll be a tax-free death benefit for your family.
That's huge because we know those little things are going to happen along the way, no matter how major or minor it might be.
And I think of it like kind of like a fence around your 401k and your retirement. So before you touch your money, you have that plan to protect your accounts.
Okay. Great information.
No
Thanks
problem.
for clearing it up for us there, Tavon. I appreciate it. For you at home, if you'd like to learn more about preparing for your retirement, New Perspective Financial Solutions has a great offer. Tavon wants to help protect and continue to grow your money while also helping you create a reliable income stream. So right now, for the first 5 callers with a portfolio of $100,000 or greater, they're offering a complimentary retirement income plan just for you. This will allow Tavon to sit down with you personally or schedule a call to make sure you are on the right track for a successful retirement. The number to dial is 240-335-8366. Again, that's 240-335-8366.